Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today's Friday, May the 6th. Okay, things are not going our way. The market has been dropping and it's important for you to notice that this is our current P&L since the opening. As opposed to this year the loss has been, last year we made money, so to speak, paper money, but now we've been losing even today. The market has been dropping significantly, may I say. If we take a look at the chart of the SPY, this is a weekly chart, and you can say that perhaps we'll find support here, perhaps not. Okay, you can see that I created this trend line, and well, there is a little bit of trend line still to take here. Okay, so does it matter to us? Not really, because we are long distance runners, so to speak. We are not sprinters. Our idea here is that the market sooner or later will make a new high, and right now it seems like later. So what do we do now? Well, you have to have faith, enough faith that this is the truth, to go ahead and put more money. And you might say, well, that's throwing good money after bad. No, it's not. It's called dollar cost averaging, and you are thinking of a long-term horizon, not immediately, not short-term. And I think I will be saying that a lot for quite a bit of time. But keep in mind that we are paying lower than we ever did before for the one share of the SPY. And we are not putting a whole lot of money, just one share every week. And eventually when the market goes up, we will have a good portfolio and it will pay off. Okay, so right now I'm gonna do the usual. I have $94 available, so I'm going to add 500. So let's go to the monitor tab, and here I say adjust cash, and I'm just gonna add $500. Fake money. This is a fake account. You might assume that I have something similar in my account, and that's for the long term. I do trade options, but that's separate, and that's short term. Okay, this is if you don't want to deal with options, if you don't want to deal with stocks, selecting stocks, you're putting your money in the best 500 companies of the US, and eventually the US economy would go through ups and downs, recovers and rallies. So that is our goal, that in our lifetime, maybe your lifetime if you're younger than I, you will get a big payoff. Okay, so let's do that. I added the $500. Now you see that I have $4 here on the option buying power, which is the same as the cash value. Okay, and so this is the cash that I have to trade, and I'm gonna go and say buy. Simply go to the analyze tab, look at the SPY, and here is our current. You see, now we're in the losing end here. That's our risk graph, and I'm just gonna select here and say buy. Create closing, or you can say something like that, but in reality we are buying just one SPY, and you can unlock this or lock it, and let's lock it. So we put a price that we like, 1176, 74, something like that, 411.75. It's dropping as we speak, so okay, let's do that. 57. Okay, and confirm and send, and that's all there is to it. You can see the order here, and it got filled for $411.57. That will dilute our cost, and it will be averaged out over all the trades that I have. And in the Analyze tab, you would see what that average is. The average cost is $439.95 and a little unrealistic 34, whatever you call it. All right, so that's all there is to it. Now we have 53 shares. 53 shares. If you got to 100 shares, you can sell an option on top, but we are not there. Supposedly you can create a cover call by selling calls, but at some point we will learn that too. Okay, I'll teach you that too. All I have to do is say let's say 30 days to expiration, it says here. We will teach a little bit of options, and you can sell a cover call at current price, current strike price, or close to it, 410. You click here on the bid, and that sells one call, which is equivalent to 100 shares. But that's not what we're gonna do, not yet anyway. You need to have 100 shares there before you can do sell calls against those shares. Right now, not. So it will take another 47 weeks before we can do that. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye-bye.